So in part 1, we have seen the half of the fund tools, and this is the part 2. And in this second video, we will see other half of the tools. Okay. Now we had done our work on paragraph 1. Now let us do some work on paragraph 2. Okay. So the first is case change. Okay. Now suppose I want to these are the city names. Okay, so I want to change these city names to um, capital letters. Okay, then I will click here and I will make it uppercase. Now you can see everything is converted to capital letters. Okay, now next is this is a sentence case. Sentence case, what happens? It converts the sentence into sentence case. So just for example, let us take this. Okay, and now I am converting to sentence case, so it has changed now. Okay, now let us keep it as uppercase. Okay, now next is lowercase. Okay, in lowercase, what happens? Suppose I have uh, now let us convert this to convert everything in uppercase. Okay, now I want that this uppercase I want to convert to lowercase. So what I will do, I will go and click on lowercase. So everything is converted to lowercase. Okay. Now you can see after organization there is a dot. After dot, the next sentence is starting, but it is in lowercase only. Right. Now I want to create a proper sentence here. So what I will do, I will go and I will click on sentence case. So what happened? Now you can see after dot, the B is changed from small to capital letter. Got it? So it has converted to a sentence format. Okay. Now next is capitalize each word. Okay. So let us take a sentence. Now I want to ensure that each word should start with capital letter. So I will go here, capitalize each word. Okay, now you can see that each word is starting with a capital letter. Okay, and the next is toggle case. In toggle case, what happens? Okay, we will it simply reverse the letter format. Let's say this. Okay, toggle case. Now it has, so the small letter been converted into capital letters, and the capital letter been converted into small letter. Got it? So I'm just keeping this in sentence case. Okay, and just I'm again toggling it. Okay, so I have toggled it, and then I'm keeping the sentence case. Now we got the upper format. Okay, so this is how we can change the case. Now next is effects and typography. Okay, now look, these are the company name. This is the institute and foundation name. So I want to highlight this institution, foundation institute name. So what I will do, I will click on this tool. Okay, and I can check all the formats, all the available formats. Okay, and it will show me a preview. Right? Now, suppose I want to make this as a title. So I will copy this. I will go to the paragraph. I will paste here. Okay, I will select it. I will go here on text effects, and say I want to use this font. Okay, or let's say a font with shadow. So I am clicking here. Okay, now I want to change the text color. I want to make it little bit more uh, uh, dark. Okay, so I have changed it. If I see, okay, this is not looking good, so I can again go here. Okay, and I can change it. Anything, whatever we want. Okay, I'm keeping this one. Now there are other effects like outline, what kind of outline you want. Okay, shadow. Now you can try everything here. Okay, whether you want your text to be shadowed or not. Reflection, glow. If you want to glow your text, like you can see the preview. It is the text is glowing now. Okay, now this is the yellow glow, blue glow. Okay, number styles. Then this is also you can just try it. It is not that much of useful, but you can try. Okay, and this is just for a preview. This is just a preview. Okay, so in this way we can change the or we can add effects to the text. Okay, highlighter we have already seen in last video. We can highlight whatever you want. Let's say I want to yellow highlight it. Okay, font color we can change the font color. Okay, suppose I want to show something very like alarming situation is there. Okay, or something um, uh, very important is there. Okay, so I can just click here. Look, this is something new. So I can highlight it in red. Okay, this is something new, and we need to implement this like this. Okay, now the last tool in font, that is clear or formatting. Now look, we have done some formatting on this document, and we want our previous document back, the original document back. Then what we will do is select all. We will go to clear formatting. We'll click here. Then all formatting will be removed. Okay, and it will become the normal the original document. Okay, this we can remove by going to. So this is not a font text formatting. It is a highlighter. So we can simply remove the highlighter. Okay, so in this way, so these all are the tools available in font. Okay, and now we have learned how to use them. Okay, so that's it in this session. Thank you.